Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'm going to talk about Glen Mixer Grinder 4030 Plus. So let's get started. Now this is a mixer grinder from the brand Glen. Model number is 4030 Plus. It comes with 4 different jars. That means not only can you do grinding, blending, mixing in this, but you can also take out juices along with this juicer attachment. Now you also get this whipping blade. If you want to take out butter or you want to make cake batter and all, you can also use this. There is also this spatula that comes inside the box and a user manual. Now if you want to know about the warranty and all, it's mentioned on the box. You get a 2-year warranty on the product. The motor is 750 watts. That means you get a powerful motor, so that if you want to grind tough spices, you want to make, if you're making spices at home like haldi and all, you can grind them very easily in this one. And it is also ISI marked. Some other features that are mentioned on the box are you get a strong and sturdy motor that also comes with a 5-year warranty. So there's a 2-year warranty on the whole product and 5-year warranty on the motor. Plus you get special oil seals that prevent leakage while working with liquids. Now it's very important. A lot of times we are making shakes or we are making smoothies and sometimes it spills out of the jar, comes on the face, on the clothes. Now all this will not happen with this Glen mixer grinder because special oil seals have been done on the lids and all. You get food grade blades. So even the jars are made with stainless steel, and here the blade is also made of stainless steel, but it is made with food grade blades made of 304 grade stainless steel. That means it is rust resistant. So rust and all will not happen on this. And you also get unbreakable lids. So even though if they spills out of your hand and they get on the kitchen floor and all, and nothing will happen to these lids. You also get a fruit filter. And the motor is 100% copper motor. You get a 5-year warranty, and then there is also overload protector. Now first let me take you through the main body. This is the main body which has 750 watt powerful motor. The looks are very nice. It's silvery grey and black. Looks really stylish in the kitchen. This is the knob, function key, and you get 3 speed settings with the pulse setting, and here just below the machine you also see the overload protector which will protect the machine. Now the size is also very nice, the looks are nice, and it is also very compact in shape. That means it won't occupy much space on your kitchen slab. I like the fact that it has rubber feet here at the bottom, which means while doing the chores and all, whatever you're doing the work, it will not move. And this jar, of course, this is 100 ml jar. This is used to make chutneys and all. You can make coriander chutney, dhania chutney, and whatever you want to take that out, you can always use this spatula to take out everything that's in the jar. This is the juicer attachment. It's made with polycarbonate plastic, and here you can see the mesh filter. It's made with stainless steel. Now what happens when you make juice in this? The juice and the pulp gets separated. So even if you want to use the pulp for some purpose, you can always do that. And then you can see the marking over here. It has 1.5 liter capacity, which is quite good. That means like 4 to 5 medium glasses of juices you can take out at one time. This is again for your blending needs, like you want to make cold coffee, onion tomato puree, idli dosa batter, you can do that in this. This is 1.5 liters and this is 1 liter capacity stainless steel jar. This is for your grinding spices. You want to grind zira, you want to grind coriander, you can easily do that in this. So this is Glen mixer grinder SA4030 Plus, which comes with 4 different jars. It has a 750 watt powerful motor. You get a 2-year warranty on the product, 5-year warranty on the motor. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.